Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both files so linking is reliable. Save the Excel workbook as XLSX and tidy the header row, remove merged cells, and unhide rows. Then open InDesign, create your document with correct margins and columns, set master pages for consistent layout. Next, pick a method, data merge for simple records, or a plugin/CSV/IDML workflow for dynamic updates. Because the chosen method dictates how you format fields. Once done with setup, export the sheet to CSV when using data merge, and make sure to save as UTF-8 if you have special characters. In InDesign, open the Data Merge panel, choose Select Data Source, and import the CSV. Then drag placeholders into text frames or table cells so each column maps to a layout element. Make sure to design and thread frames for multi-page records, apply paragraph styles, and test with a few sample records to confirm alignment and overflow behavior. To finish, preview the merge and generate the merged document, then inspect pagination, overset text, and any image link issues. Make adjustments to frames and styles as needed. If you require dynamic updates, use a plugin or export an IDML and set up a script or link workflow so changes in Excel refresh in InDesign. If something goes wrong, first check CSV delimiters and header names, ensure no hidden rows or merged cells remain, and confirm file paths are correct so links do not break.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.